Let's explore a data structure in computer science known as a stack. A stack is another data structure besides queue that has a straightforward metaphor in the real world, a stack of plates. Let's add the first item. Let's add the second item. Let's add the third item. So, as you can see, the last added item is always on top of the stack. Now let's remove items from the stack. The first item to be removed would be the last item added to the top of the stack. So what is a stack? The main principle here is the last in, first out. We need a simple list to implement it. Let's define two operations. Add item, this operation adds an item to the top of the stack. We will use the default append method of the list. And remove item. This operation removes the item from the top of the stack. We will use the default pop method of the list. Now let's put it all together to implement a stack. Now let's define a class named stack and initialize an empty list to store stack elements. The add method appends an item to the end of the list, so the top of the stack. The remove method removes the last item from the list, so from the top of the stack. We need this magic method to get the string representation of the stack object, making it easier to understand the current state.